Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're making a mouth-watering recipe, the Spanish omelette. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll need the essentials: eggs, potatoes, onions, olive oil, and a dash of salt and pepper. Begin by peeling and slicing your potatoes into thin rounds. In a pan over medium heat, add a generous amount of olive oil. Gently cook the potatoes and onions until they're soft and infused with that delicious olive oil flavor. While our veggies are cooking, crack the eggs into a bowl and give them a good whisk. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Once your potatoes and onions are tender, strain them from the oil and mix them with the beaten eggs. In a clean pan, add a drizzle of olive oil and heat it up. Now, it's time to pour in our egg, potato, and onion mixture. Here's the fun part: flipping the omelette. Place a plate over the pan, confidently flip it over, and slide it back into the pan to cook on the other side. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious dishes.